This is my baby brother. His name is Lumpy. I am 7 years old. My baby brother is 3 years old. Today, I'm going to tell the story of the blind man. One time, Jesus was walking and he saw the blind man. Do you know what blind means? It means you cannot see. Close your eyes. Can you see anything?
No.
No, you cannot see anything. So, Jesus saw that blind man. So, he wants his eyes to be open. So, he spit on the ground and made some mud and put on the man's eyes. Then he told him to go wash in the river. So he did. And then he could see. Isn't that amazing? That's so amazing. So even the neighbors said, is this the same man? How could he see now when he was born blind? They didn't have a clue, but the blind man said, yes, I was blind, but now I can see. The man Jesus spit on the ground and made some mud and put it on my eyes. Then he told me to go wash in the river. So I did. After I just washed in the river, I could just see. So some of them said, yes, I think that's right. Some of them said, I don't really believe. So they just take him to the synagogue and ask the leaders. This man was blind, but now he can see. He was born blind, and how can he see? So how did you open your eyes? Jesus. Jesus healed you? And then they keep asking him questions and questions. And then he keeps saying, Jesus healed me, Jesus healed me. And they said, get out, you. Why'd you tell about Jesus? We don't believe in him. And so that's what they said. And that's why the blind man went out the synagogue. But every people he sees, he told them what Jesus had, how Jesus made his eyes open. And soon, Jesus heard about it. Jesus heard about that. And so Jesus found a man and asked him, do you believe in the Son of Man? And then he said, I don't know him. I want to believe in him. And Jesus said, you are talking to him. And then they had a great big hug. So if you have some pain, belly hurt, eyes, ears, mouth, nose, face, or head, or stomach, or hands, or your legs, or your whole body, you can pray to Jesus and ask him to make you better. Jesus can heal you because even the blind man didn't even need medicine to make his eyes open. So boys and girls, that's all for today. Hello, you need to get down to getting Ben. Mittaw khat Zeisu mìnhเป็นรุ่นเต็มที่กันนาวแลมปีเกกลุ่มสดีกันนาวกลุ่มชุมซึ่งก็ตั้งชูเกนแต่นิ่งมากหักเวลาตัวป้าเยซูเอ็นหัวจะลำเช้าเนี่ยลำเช้าไว้สักกะอันเม็ดสปามูที่นั่นเม็ดซีโอบางวันน่ะมุเทียแล้วแล้วจำตัวป้าเยซูเอ็นตัวมีป้าเอาหมุดจังอามันเม็ดเจอห้องสักว่ามันจะมันเจอผีนะเลยอะเห็นเม็ดตะป้า mitt tunga nuti. The gentleman mit the bad young, what that goon the my piatin, Gina, pialet, my piatina. Aman muchita he lamdanya. Lamdang long say. I think there's a me pa mit the pop and hello more. She me some in hima adang sen he gave him that Gina. A male than bang he jaw he Gina. Hang mit the pan. Hey, gay hit he gay mit so soon kin must say hing. Topa Zeisu a chi hat pan. Aman Leia Jill Pete na aman cái nụ sơ cái lá họ sẽ cố na ông mai plot again na cái một thay giàu hiên chứ Mr. Papen họ sẽ biết cái là masam và baby he là chăng hoa biết nào lên sẽ nắng bằng chuyện qua lông mẹ ông một sập Baba Zeisu he tắc nó the chang about question dong ina amau bahang tupa Zeisu hong chi na amau wata pai kisaki the chang pai kisakena the chang ahang pai khet hang aman tupa Zeisu in ame aso pen musak pen mi gen hi the chang tupa Zeisu hoa bia ken ang ulian te so ama so gi hopen azak chang aman ke ama mit sa papen zongina aman amul nang tupa Zeisu na umya china ken Taylor kwai ya ken warm china aman tuan nang kyang nang ki ho hi china ki koi hi the chang about long the ma hi the chiana the dung kam ke in Topa Zeisu long Damsak hi Mittaw khat na Damsak hi Mittaw hong Damsak hi Bill for na there that Taylor that Damsak hi na ha hong na that Damsak hi Topa Zeisu yang lang lang Damsak hi Mittaw pasong dam hi Topa and Jim na pichata hen amen